Would you like to mine Dogecoin? Would you like to be the next Dogecoin millionaire? Well, in this video, we are going to show you a brand new website through which you can easily mine a lot of Dogecoins and sell them and make a lot of revenue. So, before we start, all we're going to ask is please subscribe the channel and hit that like button. We're going to share a lot of news about Dogecoin and cryptocurrency that will help you out in investing in future. Let's get started. So this is the website that we're going to use to mine Dogecoin. You do not need a hi-fi PC with a lot of specs or an expensive graphic card in it. All you need is your old laptop or your phone. We will be doing the Dogecoin cloud mining. Cloud mining is that all you need to do is click on a button and let it mine for you. So how can you start mining on this website? All you need to do is click on start mining, input your email address, your username, your password, and then sign up. I'm already signed up, so I'll log in into the website. This is the user interface of the website. When you log in, it would not be the same for you. You would not have the free miner that I have right now. What do you need to do to get in? Well, let's click on how it works. Our first step would be go to profile setting, set the confirmation email to your email one that you have signed up, follow the link, and then go to quest tab and complete the confirm email quest. That's the third number one. So how will we do that? All we need to do is click on the icon here. That's your username one. This is my email ID that I'm signed up with right now. You will be getting an option here to send the confirmation email. Click on it. Once you do, confirm your email ID. Once your email ID is confirmed, all you need to do is go to Quest, and as you can see the options here, there would be one option that says confirm email address. Click on it and your ID would be confirmed. As soon as you do it, you will get a free miner here. So you can see this miner is mining for me. I've started this yesterday only, and till date it has mined around 1.18 Dogecoin for me, which is not bad. In just one day it has mined 1 Dogecoin. So you can imagine if you let it run for at least 3 months, 4 months down the line, you would have a good amount of Dogecoin, and if the value goes up to $1, you can imagine getting $100 for free without doing anything, just letting it run. This is the advantage of cloud mining. So once you sign up, when you get your free miner, all you need to do is let it run, and when it becomes 0.01, you just need to click on this option here, and this balance would go down here. So now I've got 1.2. You can withdraw around 50 Dogecoin. If you go to their FAQs, what is the minimum amount of withdrawal? That is 50 Dogecoins. They say that an active worker must be purchased to withdraw funds. So if we imagine that if we let it work for at least 3 to 4 months, we can buy this miner here, which will give us 3.29 Dogecoin for 30 days a day. That means around 125 Dogecoin. So you will still be in profit. In a month you will have around 125 Dogecoins for free. So that's pretty amazing. No other website is doing this. Plus the advantage of this website is this is very new right now. There are not a lot of people right now on this website, because of which the mining speed is pretty high. Once a lot of people get onto this website, the mining speed would go down, but right now it's amazing. So you can quickly join this one and start mining your Dogecoin from today. The other benefit on this website is this faucet thing. Every 2 hours you get an option to play a faucet thing, and if somehow you are lucky and you get this 999 number, I would say even between this you would win 5,000 Doge. And if we consider a Dogecoin around $1 after 3 to 4 months, if you continuously try, you would be having $5,000 sitting right at your home. If not, you would still be earning this much of Dogecoins every 3 hours that you can easily do. This is a great thing on this website. You just need to come in, check it out every 3 hours, click on an option and spend. These are the ways that you can easily mine Dogecoin. So once you are done mining the Dogecoin, how will you withdraw it? That's the biggest question all of us have. Withdrawal is pretty easy. We can simply withdraw from here. This is the Dogecoin address that I have. I have to click here and withdraw. But to withdraw this, you need a wallet. And how would you get a wallet for free? Well, I've got a free wallet for you, and that's the biggest wallet in the world, Binance. Binance is an amazing website that is totally safe and secure in crypto world, because we already know there are a lot of frauds going on, and if you sign up for Binance and trade through it, it will be the safest option for you. All you need to do is click on register, enter your email ID, your password. Once you are registered, that's it, login. I'll log in into my account. I'll leave a link down below for you so that you can sign up easily on Binance, and once you do sign up with that link, you will get extra 5% of any coin that you purchase on Binance. So once you sign up for Binance, this is the dashboard that would be coming up. All you need to do is click on wallet, create and spot. Once you do that, you will be coming up to a screen like this. This has a lot of coins on it. So you just need to type in Dogecoin here. Dogecoin comes up. Just click on deposit. You will get your wallet address. Copy that wallet address and paste it here. Click on I'm not robot and withdraw your Dogecoins. So I would advise you start doing it today only. Start mining a lot of Dogecoins, and once you think the right time comes up, you can easily sell off your Dogecoins. You even have the options of playing betting here. You can do 52 or 48. You can choose the amount of Dogecoin that you want to play with, and if you win, there would be a profit of 0.1 Dogecoin, which is not bad. You have roulette service also, but this comes up when you have 50 Dogecoins. So it shows you the luck percentage also. If you get lucky and if you win the Formula 1, this mines 50,000 Dogecoins for you. But that's totally on your luck, what your luck is. This is an amazing website that I found out, and I would really advise you to quickly sign up. I will be mentioning the links in the description below so that you do not visit any fake website. Visit this one only and mine a lot of Dogecoins. That's all for today, guys. I would request you to kindly subscribe the channel please, and like the video so that more and more people can mine the coin easily and become the next Dogecoin millionaire. Thank you for watching it. Have a nice day.